Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have a hot mess in my closet. It is ridiculous. I've decluttered so much clothes, and I think I'm actually going to declutter even more clothes. Just get rid of stuff. Yeah, I really need to get rid of stuff. So I'm not really a fashionable person. If you guys haven't noticed, I wear kind of the same things all the time. I'm home most of the time. And even when I worked, I wear the same things at work because I had a uniform. So yeah, anyways, I need to get rid of stuff that I don't wear. I'm tired of having that closet so filled of a whole bunch of randomness. And my husband's not off vacation till later on, like in a couple months. So when he's off on vacation, he's gonna do some more shelves in my closet. But right now I just want to declutter and get it cleaned up as much as I possibly can. And currently my issue is my clothes, shirt-wise, does not fit my chest area. Now after having my daughter, she's not completely weaned off nursing. She still kind of nibbles, but I don't really think she's getting anything, so I'm pretty much I'm done. So I really need to, I'm pretty sure this is just the size I'm going to be, until I start losing weight. Then, you know, they kind of just group more. But as of right now, vests are not fitting me right. Shirts are barely fitting me right. I still fit into some mediums, but most of them fit me tight around my chest, and I hate that. I even before having my daughter, I prefer, if I'm going to wear a t-shirt, I want it to be baggy. And right now it's like not baggy. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix that closet up and show you bits and pieces of it. I also gotta fold clothes. 2 hours to do this because my mom has to leave. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started though, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So let's get into today's video. Let's grab a cafecito. All right, let me quickly show you an example. So obviously I have my tummy, but yeah, so like if it's ish, right? But all right, so here I am taking everything out. I do try on a couple things but off camera, and I'm also just sorting everything out, seeing what I like, what I don't like. I'm taking out the trash basically, like bags from some of my diaper bags that I don't want anymore, just to kind of keep it nice and separating clothes that I'm posting on Poshmark. So don't forget to check out my Poshmark, and also the stuff that I'm going to see if I could donate. All right, I really just gotta put the bed in here. My lash is bad, but that is pretty much it for right now. Yeah. You always wonder where my stash is for my daughter. All right, guys, and after that day, I honestly did not have a good time. It was an emotional, mental day for me, so I ended up stopping vlogging. This is the next morning, though, and my mom came over, and I didn't want to cook. I just really wanted it clean, so I decided to go ahead, and this video is going to be basically a nice, fresh, clean, motivational video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Just kind of wiping and making sure everything is nice and clean. The walls, I'm even gonna clean my cabinets here in a second. I actually mixed water with some essential oils, lemon, I want to say it was lemon mint, and my house smells amazing right now. It smells nice and clean, and not too chemical-y, so it's really, really nice. So yeah, I'm just taking everything down and cleaning. If you're wondering what I'm watching Charmed for the 5,000th time. I personally love this show. It's one of my favorites. Yeah. But again, guys, I'm one of those moms that I have a lot of mom guilt. So even if she doesn't feel good somehow, I feel like it's my fault. I know it's really bad, but I'm trying my best over here. So yeah, I'm just wiping the cabinets down. I try to do this twice a year, winter, and I guess now for spring. That is around the corner, which I'm ready for. I'm ready for some nice summer days. I even had the windows open today. It felt so good, a nice breeze. It was really nice. Let me know what you guys are looking forward to for spring and summer, because I know I'm just ready for it to be nice and be outside. Yeah, my mom did buy some fruits, so I am washing them. That is what is there on the sink, and I'm gonna go ahead and deep clean the sink as well. I don't do this very often. I probably should do it a lot more often. Honestly, I feel like I deep clean the sink like every 2-ish months. I do find my husband kind of goes through it every once in a while, since he actually hates washing dishes, but he does like cleaning the sink. Weirdo, I know. But yeah, I'm just cleaning basically the things that I use for after washing dishes, just to make sure that's clean as well, because that does get gunky as well if you don't clean it very often. And I'm actually using vinegar and water and dish soap. If I didn't really show that really, but that is what I'm using. I do want to quickly say thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I really, really do appreciate every like, every comment, every single subscriber. And I really appreciate every single one of you guys that have used my links, whether it be for Petunia Pickle Bottom or Amazon, or my new other links. I appreciate it so, so much. I am a stay-at-home mom. My husband's working on his own. So I really do appreciate every single little penny that I can help. So thank you guys so, so much for using my links. And here I am taking out, well, not taking out, I am moving apart actually. The, what is that called? My table, my little table nook. I did take out the apple juice from the bottom of the chair, since I am going to put that in the fridge. And then I was like, all right, let me just go ahead and fill up the fridge with my daughter's apple juice and some water. And I'm going to go ahead and clean the chairs and the tables. Again, a nice, fresh, clean start. Oh my gosh, and I also forgot that I wanted to see what it looked like in widescreen. How do you guys like it in widescreen? And I did clean out a little bit the fridge. Nothing crazy though. I wasn't going to focus on the fridge today, but I did want to do a little bit and just get a little bit more organized, since it easily becomes a disaster in this house. And here I am putting away the fruits for later. Right now it's time to broom. I was gonna vacuum, but my daughter has her moments where she actually hates the vacuum, and I really didn't feel like dealing with that tantrum, so I decided to just go ahead and broom. I'll have my husband vacuum later on in the week. And then I went ahead and steamed, mopped the kitchen, and I did put a little bit again of the essential oils. So again, my house smells absolutely amazing right now. I kind of really like it in this widescreen format. So let me know what you guys think. And that is it. Alright guys, I know, weird angle. Yeah, so that vlog video ended up being a motivational spring cleaning video basically. I feel a lot better though. Really ice machine, really. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. And if you watched until this part, go ahead and leave this emoji down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.